On this video today, I'm going to show you step by step on how to make up to $100 per day using your mobile phone online. Everything that I'm about to show you in this video does not require any skills, it does not require any investment. You don't need any experience to get started. And the best part is that everything is available worldwide. So wherever you are in the world, you can use these methods to make money from home. If you are new to this channel and you have not subscribed, kindly hit the subscribe button, press the notification bell for updates of my next videos. So now let's get into the details. The first step is that you are going to come on this website, product report card. Once you are on the website, you are going to see a page like this. This particular website, what we are going to be doing is that you are going to be participating in surveys. You can also test products on this website. Once you test the products or once you participate in a survey, you are going to be earning money. You can see right here some surveys you can earn 50 cents. You can see you can earn up to $500. So this particular website is one of the best that you can use to make money on your phone. Let me scroll down to show you. When you come right here, what you have to do is that you have to just create your free accounts. Once you create your free accounts, you can take a 5-minute survey. Once that is done, you are going to earn $5. You can see it right here. Apart from that, as I scroll down, you can see right here some surveys you can earn up to 50 cents. You can see these are examples of them. Some of them you can earn $1 per test. Some of them you can earn $1 per survey. As you can see it right here, it will take you 11 minutes. This one will take you 10 minutes and you are going to be earning $1. This one will take you 40 minutes and you are going to be earning 50 cents. Let me just scroll right here for you to see. You can see this one, you are going to be earning 75 cents. You can see this one, you are going to be earning $5, and the survey is going to take you up to 30 minutes. There are many surveys that you can participate on this website. When you come right here, you can see smartphone reviews. You are going to be earning $75 after the review, and it will take you 60 minutes to complete the review. Some jobs will not pay you up to $75 per hour, so this is a very good passive income idea that you can use to make money. You can see this one right here, you're going to be earning $75 and it will take you 75 minutes. You can see this one 45 minutes and you are going to be earning $50. There are many examples that you can see on this particular website. You can see this one, you are going to be earning $150 and it will take you 120 minutes. This one will take you 12 minutes and you are going to be earning 75 cents. So as a school, you can see many examples that you can see on this website. You can see a whole lot of them. As you can see, a whole lot of different surveys, reviews, and the amount that you are going to earn. You can see a whole lot of them. You can see this one right here, you can even earn up to $300, and you can see the time it varies. You can see this one $200, by the time varies. You can see this one, it will take you 40 minutes and you're going to be earning $1.25. So there are many examples. As I said earlier on, you can see this one, you are going to be earning $400 and the time varies, so there is no specific time. This one you are going to be earning $35. You are going to spend 45 minutes doing the test. You can see it is about gaming, so if you like gaming, you can test the games and then get paid. This one is a survey. You are going to spend 10 minutes and the price is $2. So this is a very good platform that you can use to make money. You can see they have a very good rating on trustpilot.com. You can see the trust score is 4.5 and you can see the number of reviews here. So a lot of people trust this particular website. It is legit, so you have to also sign up for an account so that you can begin participating in surveys, testing products, writing reviews on this platform so that you can be making money from home. To sign up for an account, you can see this is already the form, so just fill the form, enter your email right here, enter your password. Once you enter your password, you are going to click right here, I agree to the terms of use and privacy policy. Once that is done, you are going to click right here, I'm not a robot, so that you can sign up for a free account. Once you sign up for a free account, you can begin to earn money on this particular website. Apart from this website, you can also come on this website right here, Userlytics.com. This particular website, they also pay you to test. So now what you have to do is that you have to just ignore this page, because this page is for the customers. You are going to be a tester. You don't have a product. The product owners, they have to read this particular page, but in your case, you are a tester. So just come right here, click on get paid to test. Once you click on get paid to test, you are going to see a page like this, and you can see right here, you can become a tester on this website. You can see right here, usability testing is simple and fun. You can do it from your phone, tablet, computer, in the comfort of your home or at your preferred location. Not only do you get paid to test, but you learn something new every time and get sneak peek of what the brands you love most are working on. Even better, you play a role in making the world more user friendly. So apart from the money that you are going to earn, you can also enrich your experience. You are going to learn something from it, and the best part is that your opinion is going to be counted in this world. You can help this world to be better by providing your opinions about products. When you scroll down, you can see right here the payment. You can earn up to $5 to $90. So it depends on the test. The minimum pay is $5 and the maximum is $90. So some tests you are going to be earning $5 or more. Some you are going to be earning $90. So it depends on the test. Some tests you are going to be earning a lot of money. When you scroll down, you can see these are the requirements. If you want to do it on your computer, you have to meet all these requirements. If you want to do it on your tablet, you have to meet all these requirements. If you want to do it on your phone, you can see you must have an Android and the version must be 9.0. You can see iPhone with iOS 12 or newer. You can see an internet browser. You can use Chrome, Firefox, Safari and many others. You have to have a microphone, a webcam, and that is needed for some tests, not all the tests. And you can see right here you have to install their mobile app. A microphone, it is not costly. You can get one at $3 or less, so it is not expensive. You can get a microphone so that you can begin using this particular website to make money from home. If you want to download their app, you can just come right here, click on Google Play, or you can click on the App Store so that you can download the mobile app. Once you download it and then install it on your phone, you can begin to be making money from home. Apart from this website, you can also try this website right here, Trymata.com. This website also pay you to test. So what you have to do is that you have to click right here, get paid to test. Once you click on get paid to test, you can see right here, get paid to use websites, apps, and give your honest feedback and earn $10 or more per test. You are going to be earning $10 or more per test. So it depends on the test. Some tests you can earn up to $20, some you can earn up to $30. So it depends on the duration of the test. So now what you have to do is that you have to enter your full name right here, enter your PayPal email right here, your password right here, and you are going to confirm your password so that you can sign up for an account on this platform. Once you sign up for an account, you can begin to use this website to make money from home on your mobile phone wherever you are in the world. So now what you have to do is that you have to create a PayPal account, because most of these websites, they are going to pay you through your PayPal accounts. So you are going to search for paypal.com. Once you search for paypal.com, you can create a free PayPal account so that you can be using it to receive your payment. You can see right here, apart from you receiving payments through PayPal, if you recommend PayPal to your friends, once they sign up through your link, you are going to be earning $10. So this is one of the best ways that you can also make money from home. If you don't have friends to invite, just ignore that and then just sign up for an account so that you can use it to receive your payment. So now what you have to do is that you have to sign up for an account on the three websites. Sign up for an account right here, productreportcard.com. Once you sign up for an account, you are going to come on Userlytics.com and then sign up for another account. Once you sign up for an account, come right here, Trymata.com, and then sign up for an account. So if you don't get test right here, you can get a test on Userlytics, or you can get a job on reportcard.com. So once you sign up for all the three websites, any of them that there is a job available, you can just perform the job so that you can be making money from home. Don't sign up for one, sign up for all the three so that you can be using them to make money from home. That is it for today's video. If you are new and you have not subscribed, kindly hit the subscribe button, press the notification bell for updates of my next videos.